Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright series. Today's topic is Selenium versus Playwright architectural difference. Selenium works using the WebDriver protocol. WebDriver communication with the browser through a remote interface. Every action in Selenium goes through multiple layers. This makes Selenium powerful but also slower and more dependent on waits. Playwright works differently. Playwright talks to the browser using native browser protocols. There is no WebDriver layer in between. Selenium sends commands from outside the browser. Playwright listens to the browser from inside. Because Playwright understands browser events directly, it knows when the page is ready. That is why Playwright has auto waiting by design. Selenium requires manual synchronization. Playwright handles synchronization automatically. Less waiting code means fewer flaky tests. Architecture is the reason Playwright tests are faster and more stable. Here in the sample script, if you see, I'm opening a Cogmento using Playwright. There are no explicit waits. The browser responds when we try to launch it. So once we launch the browser, it opens Cogmento CRM application and prints the title. Playwright understands browser state. So we are not giving any explicit waits. This stability comes from architecture. Let me run, then you will have better understanding. First, it will launch the Cogmento login page and print the title. If you see, demonstrating Playwright architecture on Cogmento. It has launched and also we did not give any explicit waits. Title of the page is printed. I will close the application now. Selenium is protocol driven, Playwright is event driven. WebDriver versus native protocol. That is the real difference.